ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes sir. Yes teacher. Present ma'am.
Hi children, how are you all? I hope you are all happy and fine. Yes. Myself, English teacher, I am here to welcome you all for the English activity session for class 5, second language, English. So, we shall continue the lesson Love for Animals today. Are you all ready? I request all of you to keep your notepads, pencils, pens and textbook ready with you. Will you keep it ready? Yes. Very good children. Shall we begin our task today? I had given you some homework. Do you remember in my previous class? Yes. What was the homework? It's here. Draw or collect the pictures of some domestic animals and paste them in your notebook. So, I told you to collect the pictures of some domestic animals. I hope everyone have done the homework. I also told that to show it to your teacher and get it corrected. Have you all done the homework, children? Very good, children. Keep it up. Okay. I am going to show you some domestic animals pictures. Okay. Are you all eagerly waiting to see the pictures? Very good, children. Here we go. Yes. What is this, children? Correct. It's a picture of a cat. Which animal is this? Dog. There are dogs in that picture. There is a cat in this picture. So, which animal is this? Cat, dogs. Very good. Next picture. Yes. Which animal is this, children? Ox. Correct. Kannadadalli ಏನಂತಾರೆ ox na? ಎತ್ತು, ಎತ್ತುಗಳು. Yes, correct. Next, which animal is this? You remember in my previous class I had taught you one rhyme on sheep, Baba Black Sheep. Yes, sheep. Sheep. Which animal is that? Sheep. That is a sheep. Very good. Next, look at this picture, children. Wow. Which animal is this? Correct. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಮೊಲ. ಮೊಲ. Rabbit. We call in English as rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Next picture. Yes. Which animal is that? Cow. Cow gives us? Correct, children. Cow gives us milk. Superb. Shall we move to the next slide? Yeah. Yes. Look at the picture. Which animal is this? Correct. It's a horse. Kannadadalli horse na ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಕುದುರೆ. Good, children. Which animal is this? Correct. It's a goat. It's a meke ಅಥವಾ ಆಡು. Let's move to the lesson. Which was the name of the lesson? Correct. Love for animals. Animals. We should love animals. We should never hurt any animal. Yes. Let's recall some of the questions from the last class. Who was Ramana Maharshi, children? Tell me, who was Ramana Maharshi? Very good. Ramana Maharshi was a sage. Next, where were Lucy and Nitin going? Where were Lucy and Nitin going? Lucy and Nitin were going home. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರು ಲೂಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿತಿನ್? They were going home. Very good, children. Next, third question. What is the meaning of the word ashram? What is the meaning of the word ashram? Yes, correct. Ashram andre eno? A place where hermits live. ಋಷಿಮುನಿಗಳು ಇರುವಂತಹ ವಾಸಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ? ಆಶ್ರಮ. Correct. What is the opposite of night? What is the opposite of the word night? Correct. Day. Ratri, hagalu. Day and night. Correct. Very good, children. You have given me wonderful answers. Shall we move to the next task? Are you ready? Yes, here it is. Today we shall learn some new words before we get into the lesson. So, words to know. You must know their meanings, you must know the spelling, you must know the usage of the words. So, here we go. Firstly, we will be looking into crawl. Secondly, trouble. Thirdly, wonderful. So, we will look into these words, get to know the meanings. Yes. What do you see here, children? You can see pictures of crocodile. Very good. Crocodile. Kannadadalli crocodile ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಮೊಸಳೆ. How does a crocodile move? Crocodile ಹೇಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತೆ? Very good. It uses its body. ಅದರ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಟಮ್ಮಿ, ಬೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಟಮ್ಮಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. It uses the belly and moves from one place to another. So, the crocodile uses the belly, ತನ್ನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಮೈಯನ್ನು ಉಜ್ಜಿಕೊಂಡು ಸವರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Crawl. We call this movement as crawl. So, here is a spelling C-R-A-W-L. Crawl. Repeat. Move slowly on the belly. Move slowly on the belly. Crawl. Move slowly on the belly. ತನ್ನ ಮೈಯಿಂದನೇ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ತೆವಳುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದನ್ನು ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕ್ರಾಲ್. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಹಲ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಹಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಓತಿಕ್ಯಾತ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ತನ್ನ ಮೈಯನ್ನು ಉಜ್ಕೊತ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ. ಸ್ನೇಕ್. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಸ್ನೇಕ್. Snake doesn't have any legs to go. So, they use their body and move from one place to another. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ crawl ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. The baby began to crawl towards the mother. ಮಗು ತಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತನ್ನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತೆವಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. The baby began to crawl towards the mother. Yes. Next sentence. Soldiers have to crawl under the wire. ಸೈನಿಕರು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೈರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ತಂತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಾಲ್. ಜಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರು ತನ್ನ ಮೈಯನ್ನು ತೆವಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಆ ವೈರ್ಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೆಲಿ. ಮೂವ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೆಲಿ. Now, I request all of you to copy down the word, meaning and the sentences. Please copy down, children. Very good. Shall we move to the next word? Good. Trouble. A problem or difficulty. Trouble andre ತೊಂದರೆ. A problem or difficulty. ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ, ಕಷ್ಟ. Repeat. A problem. Very good. Or difficulty. Trouble, a problem or difficulty. ತೊಂದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ. ತೊಂದರೆ ಅಂದರೆ. Yes, using the word trouble, I have made 2 sentences for you. Here we go. Ravi was having trouble with his homework. Ravi was having trouble with his homework. ರವಿಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಯಿತು. Ravi was having trouble with his homework. Shall we move to the next sentence, children? Yes. Raj had no trouble finding a new job. Raj had no trouble finding a new job. So, ರಾಜ್ಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಕೆಲಸ ಹುಡುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೂ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಟ್ರಬಲ್. ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ. ಸೊ, ರಾಜ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಕೆಲಸ ಹುಡುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, children, now copy down the meaning and the sentences. neatly in your notebooks? Copied? Very good. Shall we move to the next? Yeah, who's the children? I've already shown you the same picture in the last class also. Who is he? Very good. He is Ramana Maharshi, the sage. Next, wonderful. The word is wonderful, great, adbhuta, tumba mahatvavadaddu, great, wonderful, adbhutavagiruvanthaddu. The meaning is great. Come on, spell the word wonderful, children, along with me. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L, wonderful. What is the meaning of wonderful? Great. Repeat. Great. Yes. Now, can we say like this? Can we say like this? Ramana Maharshi is a wonderful person. Ramana Maharshi is a wonderful person. Yes. Look at the sentence. Ramana Maharshi is a wonderful person. He is a great person. Ramana Maharshi obro adbhutavadantaha vyakti. Yes. Second sentence, children. Ramayana is a wonderful story. The Ramayana is a wonderful story. The Ramayana is a wonderful story. ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಒಂದು ಕತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರಾಮ, ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಶರಥ. ಎಸ್, ಕಾಪಿ ಡೌನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. Copied? Good. Now, so you know in Ramana Maharshi's ashram there were many animals and birds. There were a lot of peacocks also. So, I request all of you to listen to the audio clip of the cries of peacock. Okay, are you all ready? Yes, here we go. Did you enjoy the sounds made by the peacocks? Very good, children. So, these are the cries made by the peacocks. Peacocks and peahens. So, navilugulu maduvantaha ಧ್ವನಿಗಳಿವು. navilugulu ಈ ತರ ಕೂಗ್ತವೆ. Yes. Shall we move to the next task? Please open your English textbooks on page number 3. Last part, Nitin. Okay, shall we start our lesson reading? I am going to read, you are going to listen to me and look into your textbook. I am going to read, you are going to listen to me first, then you are going to look into your textbooks. Fine, is that clear? Yes. Open English textbook page number 3 and follow me. At the end I am. Nitin, that's interesting, Lucy. Will you please tell me more interesting stories about Ramana Maharshi and animals? Once again. Nitin, that's interesting, Lucy. Will you please tell me more interesting stories about Ramana Maharshi and animals? Next paragraph, children. Lucy, yes, listen. One day, Maharshi was sitting on a hillside. A snake crawled over his legs. He didn't move nor show any fear. Later, someone asked him what he felt like when the snake crawled over his legs. His replies, cool and soft. Yes, children. Now, look into your page number 4, English textbook, page number 4. Nitin, my God, I would have cried and run away. Did anyone kill the snakes in the ashram? Lucy, Ramana Maharshi never allowed people to kill snakes in his ashram. Once again. Nitin, my God, I would have cried and run away. Did anyone kill the snakes in the ashram? Lucy, Ramana Maharshi never allowed people to kill snakes in his ashram. We have come to their home and we have no right to trouble them. They do not trouble us. Oh, we are nearing our homes. I will continue the story tomorrow. Nitin, yes, thanks a lot. Who told you all these stories? Lucy, my grandmother knows a lot of stories. My grandmother knows a lot of stories. She tells us stories every day. Bye. Yes. Nathan, that's wonderful. Tell me more tomorrow. See you. Bye. Yes, children. I hope you followed the reading. Okay, later at home you'll also read the same thing. Fine. Now, let us summarize the lesson. Yes, who is she and who is he? Very good. She is Lucy and he is Nitin. The same picture is given in your textbook also, children. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಠ್ಯ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೇ ಚಿತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವಳು ಲೂಸಿ, he is Nitin. Okay, what happened one day? When they were returning home, they saw a man with a pet dog. Then Lucy says about Ramana Maharshi that Ramana Maharshi loved animals and birds. Yes. Then later on, what happened? They continued talking. Lucy and Nitin were talking and they were coming home. While coming home, they were talking about Ramana Maharshi. Yes. So, he is Ramana Maharshi. So, Lucy and Nitin were talking about Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi all the way. One day, what happened is, when Ramana Maharshi was meditating ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನೋಡಿ, ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕೈ ಚಿನ್ಮುದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕಾಲನ್ನು ಮಡಚಿ ಪದ್ಮಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi was meditating, in his ashram on a hillside, ಆಶ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ a snake, look at that children, it's a poisonous snake. A snake crawled over his legs. ಆ ಸ್ನೇಕು, ಆ ಹಾವಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಹರಿದೋಯ್ತು, ಹಾವು. ನಾವಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕಿರ್ಚಿಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಹಾವು ಅಂತ ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದರೆ ರಮಣ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಿಯರ್, he did not have any fear, ಭಯನೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. he was very calm and quiet, ತುಂಬ ಕಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ತುಂಬ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. he did not get scared at all, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಭಯನೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. when someone asked ರಮಣ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ, ಯಾರೋ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಹಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಭಗವಾನ್ ರಮಣ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ said it was cool and soft. ಆ ಹಾವು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಹೇಗಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ತಣ್ಣಗಿತ್ತು, ಮೆತ್ತಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. then in his ashram he never allowed people to kill the snakes. ಆ ಹಾವುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಯಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು used to say, ಹಾವುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಯಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. he used to say, we have come to their homes. ನಾವು ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಕೊತ, ಆಶ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಕೊತ ಅವರ ಮನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. we are cutting all the forest and we are building our houses. so where will these animals go? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ? ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ we should never kill animals. we are living in their home. ನಾವು ಅವರ ವಾಸಸ್ಥಳವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ರಮಣ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ we should not kill any animals ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ he loved so many animals and birds. Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi loved so many animals and birds. And Lucy and Nitin enjoyed the story of Ramana Maharshi. And Nitin asked Lucy, who told you all these stories? Nitin ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಲೂಸಿನ, ಯಾರು ನಿನಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು? ಸೊ Lucy says, grandmother tells me stories every day. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲ ಮನೇಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನನಗೆ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೇಳೋ ಕತೆನೇ ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ರಮಣ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಿತಿನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಲೇಟರ್ Nitin will ask her, tell me more stories. Then Lucy says, okay, I'll tell you tomorrow. See you, bye-bye. Okay. Children, tell me, what is the moral of this lesson? ಈ ಪಾಠದಿಂದ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು? Should we kill animals? No. What should we do? We should love animals. ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಯಿಸಬಾರ್ದು, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಲ್ಲಬಾರ್ದು. Yes, we should love animals. I hope you understood, children. Understood? Good. Let us continue the task. Let's learn some ing form of words. Let us learn some words. In my previous class, you learnt about the action words, right? Running, jumping, walking, writing, write, run, jump. Yes. Sit, stand. Now, let us learn the ing form of words. Play. Look at the picture, children. What do you see here? There are two boys playing. Can you guess? Can you guess which game are they playing? They are playing football. Correct. They are playing in the rain. Correct. Play, playing. When I add ing to play, it becomes playing. Repeat after me, children. Play, playing. Once again, play, playing. Copy down, children. Play, when ing is added to play, it becomes playing. So, what are the boys doing? The boys are playing. Yes. Next activity, children. What do you see in the picture? Correct. You can see a group of people eating. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು? ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? They are eating. So, eat. What are they doing? They are eating. Eat, eating. When I add ing, it becomes eating. Eat, eating. Very good, children. Copy down. Eat, eating. Next, sleep. There you can see two pictures. You can see two girls are sleeping. Okay. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. When I add ing, it becomes sleeping. Repeat. Sleep, sleeping. Repeat. Sleep, sleeping. Copy down, children. Copied? Good. Next. What is a boy and a girl doing? With their books open? Very good. They are reading. Read, reading. Read, R-E-A-D. Read, reading. When ing is added to read, it becomes reading. Copy down. Good. Next, you can see so many children and people who are walking in the street. ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ನಡೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ವಾಕ್. ವಾಕ್. W-A-L-K. walk. Yes, they are walking in the street. When ing is added to walk, it becomes W-A-L-K-I-N-G. walking. Repeat, children. Walk, walking. Walk, walking. Repeat. Walk, walking. Very good, children. Copy down. Done? Fine. Next. Here are some more examples of ing form of action words. Yes. Shall we look into that? Fine. Sing plus ing, singing. Wash plus ing, washing. Look plus ing, looking. Kick plus ing, kicking. Laugh plus ing, laughing. Yes. Sing andre ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಹಾಡೋದು. Singing ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಹಾಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Singing, continuously singing. Wash, ing. Wash ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ತೊಳೆಯೋದು. ಎಸ್, ವಾಷಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಒಗೆಯೋದು. ವಾಷಿಂಗ್, WASHING, ವಾಷಿಂಗ್, ತೊಳಿತಾ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಲುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ಲುಕ್, ನೋಡೋದು, ನೋಡ್ತಾನೇ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಲುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಕಿಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ಒದಿಯೋದು. ನಾವು ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಆಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಬಾಲನ್ನು ವಿ ಕಿಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೆಗ್, ಕಾಲಿಂದ ಓದಿತೀವಿ. ಕಿಕ್, ಕಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಓದಿಯುವುದು. ಕಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಂಗ್, ಕಿಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಲಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಗ್, ಲಾಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ನಗಿಯೋದು, ಹಾ 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 ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್, ಎಸ್. ನೌ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಟು ಕಾಪಿ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ನೋಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಕಾಪಿ ಡೌನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. Let me ask you some questions related to the lesson, children. Are you all ready? Good. What happened one day when he was sitting by the hillside? What happened one day when Ramana Maharshi was sitting on the hillside? ಏನಾಯಿತು ಒಂದಿನ ರಮಣ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಅವರು ತಪಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ? Correct, children. Yeah, correct. When Ramana Maharshi was sitting on a hillside, a snake crawled. A snake crawled over his legs. ಅವ್ರು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹಾವು ಅವರ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಹರಿದು ಹೋಯಿತು. Yes. Was Ramana Maharshi scared of snake? ರಮಣ ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗೆ ಹಾವು ಅಂದರೆ ಭಯ ಇತ್ತಾ? No, not at all. ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಭಯನೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. No, he was not scared of the snake. How did Maharshi feel when snake crawled over him? ಹಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹರಿದೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, how did he feel? ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? Very good. He felt cool and soft. Maharshi felt cool and soft when the snake crawled over his legs. Homework of your English textbook, page number 7 ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Fill in the blanks with the ing form of the verbs given in the box. Check the spelling of the new words. So play, swim, read, dance, run. The boys are dash. I like dash cricket. The fish is dash in the water. Nalini is dash the newspaper. The girls are dash. Children, what you are supposed to do is, you should use these verbs, you should use these action words, and along with that you should use ing. You should add ing to each word and see where it fits in. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಈ fill up the blanks ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. I hope everybody will do the homework and kindly show it to your English teacher and get it corrected, children. Thank you so much, children, for listening to me. Myself Manjula, English teacher working in GMPS Maragondanahalli, Anekal Block, Bangalore Urban District. Thank you so much.